Yeah, apologies for not being here for 2 days. Yeah, I got college, man. So I've been having like some crazy projects like going on at school. We're running like is it ASP.NET C sharp something like building backends with C sharp and all that. We've been having a lot of stuff going on at school, so I didn't really have that much time to focus on my project and all that. But something caught my eye. First, we hit 100. Yeah. So let me reintroduce myself, right? I am Emma, that's my real name. But you can call me Programmer Filthy. Now, here's something that really bothered me, right? Thanks for like 100. But something really like, man, I don't know what's going on with the community, bro. Some people can genuinely be negative, bro. Like, I swear to God, I feel like, okay, cool, we're all entitled to our different opinions, but sometimes, bro, come on, life is not that deep, bro. So, this is the comment that I think caught my eye. Somebody said, hey, great, you're doing fine. I'm able to see your capacity. You can reach much heights in future being a content creator. Here are a few suggestions I can give, right? Suggestions he can give. Now, one, start with a strong introduction as a user. It took for me to understand what this video is about. To like, let me go ahead. There's so much content out there to be more specific and unique way to present yourself. Oh, content. Is it vice? I think he means content wise. Okay, three. Even after watching 3 minutes, I didn't find anything useful, entertaining, or educational. Take care about your time space. There are a few things I've not. These are the few things I've noticed. Hope you can do more good content in future, right? So here's the thing. If I can address this, bro, this sounds more like a hate comment than it is a piece of advice. Well, I would get your point of view if you're telling me you're not getting like the point of the stuff, because most of the times I don't really do intros. Literally, if you guys know, like my videos, I start by appreciating the people that really locked in with me, and then just go ahead and just get straight to the point of the video. I don't have all that time like, oh, today we're gonna be doing this, right? No, I'm not doing a tutorial. That's the difference. I'm not doing a tutorial, my brother. I'm just sharing my thought process. And with sharing my thought process, I'm just building in public so that you guys can, hold me accountable and just have somewhere to document my life. Because I want to look back 5, 10 years from now, God willing, if we're still here, to just say, like, damn, this is what I used to do. You get it? I don't want to come on here and then just like, yo, guys, so today we're going to be like, dragging something just so for what? You are mature. Sorry, you're mature and you're a programmer. Hold on, let me hope still recording me. Yeah. You're a programmer, you're a mature person. You need to be able to just tell what the video is all about. The title already says it. You feel me? All my stuff, like literally they have almost similar titles. It's like you can see like from the title I'm saying hold on, reacting to my something. I think it's like restarting my progress, coding my source from scratch, episode 3. That already should tell you like what the video is all about, because that's what I'm really doing. You get it? If you've been like subscribed to me or you've watched my other videos, you literally understand that I had like some progress with my previous stuff with the Saas, but something happened. I think I lost all the files or something happened, and I just let go of that one, and I'm just restarting it. The reason why the title is restarting it and not just like any other stuff is because it's just basically the same. You feel me? It's the same. If you look back at my other videos, it's just like I have the same thing. It's a beat selling platform. So to make it easier for you, it's a beat selling platform. Now let me log in. Let me show you my the thing that really started this sauce. So as you guys can see, this is my beach channel, right? I upload every single day. Let me open the analytics so that you guys can understand. So this is my beach channel. I upload every single day. As you guys can see, like from down here, notice like look at May. May is not yet done, but see, I haven't missed a single day of any upload. If you go to like April, I haven't missed a single day. So you should be able to tell like this guy has something that he wants to do. So this is a beat channel that I'm running, and this is how my beats sound.
It is hard.
You get it? So Basically, I am a music producer and I make beats and I sell beats online. So instead of having to sell via this platform called BeatStars, I decided to build my own platform to sell my beats. You get, so this is a platform that I use to sell my beats. But there's a lot of things that I don't like about this platform. One is the man, the competition in here is insane. You can't even like literally like let's say an artist has a link to this beat, right? Let's say this is the beat that the artist clicks on, and then they have the link to this beat, then they have to purchase. Once the artist like clicks on my beat here and then it brings them here, you'll always find other people's beats here. So it's hard for you to make a beat sell literally on this platform. So I decided to create my own, right? It's not it's exactly the same, but just my own small platform that I can use to sell my beats. So that is my pain point. My pain point is I'm unable to sell beats using BeatStars. Reason being, one, I'm in Africa. There's a lot of things that's stopping us from literally getting anything. Like, I swear to God. So PayPal is a problem. Stripe is a problem. Lemon Squeeze is a problem. Literally, most payment stuff are really like a big headache here. So I'm trying to create my own platform that I can implement a certain my own custom stuff that can make me get money. That's literally the point. So if you don't understand why I'm building this, then you don't really get the vision. You're just being a hater. You get, so I'm not making this video to bash you, but I'm just making this video to, just reintroduce everything and just make it clear to you. Like, I appreciate your points, yes. But saying you went 3 minutes and you find anything educational or anything, like, bro, you sounded like you hating, bro. And I appreciate that because, you know, all all press is good press, whether bad or good. So I appreciate your point of view, my brother. But I just want you to notice, like, life is not that deep, bro. Don't just come around and be negative. You feel me? So yeah, it's cool. It's cool though. I appreciate you, commenting and all that. But just don't be negative, my brother. You feel me? If you wanna like talk to me like on a private stuff, you can hit me on IG or maybe on X or anything. We can just settle something. You feel me? So stop being negative. So that's it. Anyways, the point of the video today. Oh my god. Excuse me, brothers. Like I'm still ill, man. And I'm doing this for y'all, my brothers. Like I just love you guys. I want you guys to notice, like, I'm being serious with this. So the point of this video today is to show you guys like, okay, cool. Despite me being a little busy with school and here and there, it's not really a little busy. I'm literally busy because, man, goddamn, college, man, and computer science, bro, software engineering, year two. I'm left with only one more deal. Then I'll be in year three, which is interesting. And I'm left with actually mobile development. Right now we're doing SP.NET like C sharp, right? Just like backend stuff with C sharp. And then from there we shall go to Kotlin because we finished Java some time back. So we're gonna start with Kotlin, mobile development, something like that. Yeah, after that, that's it. That's gonna be the last module for year two, and then around September I'll start year three, and that's gonna be like I think my last year, and because year four is basically just in internships and all this other stuff, not serious teaching, but I think there's some teaching. So that's gonna be it, like school wise and where I was like what I've been doing. So speaking on this channel, bro, I'm just gonna be updating you guys on what I do because this source is what I wanna dedicate my time to. You get, because soon as we start making some good money, my boys, we gotta put in 90% of the effort. So yeah, for now it's more like okay, something I'm just taking my time on. But once we start getting some progress, we shall go all in. Anyways, so with that being said, here's a card, right? So I'm done with the beat cards. These are all like dummy data that I just use so that we can just create this. And then the next thing we're gonna do is just like we're gonna create. I think it's gonna be inside the dashboard. We're gonna create just something inside the dashboard. It's gonna be like an upload form where we shall just take this image from the user. The user will be the one to upload their own image, and they will upload their own audio because I'm planning to put like a pause and play stuff on this picture. You get, on this image it's just gonna be somewhere where it's like okay, you can pause and play or whatever. Yeah, it will depend. So I'm planning to do that. So we shall have a form where we shall just get like the image and the audio from the user, and the title, the key, and the BPM from the user, and also the the pricing or how much they want to sell the bid from the user as well. But for now, it's gonna be me. I'm just gonna be the sole user, and then I'll expand with time. So we're just gonna have to get the audio, the image, the title, the key, the BPM, and the price. And after that, we can just add these, like, just continue adding on top of this. But for now, you guys get the gist. This is what we're working on for now. So after that, after like uploading from the dashboard is going to be separated into two, like the financial side where we're going to be shown, like, how much we've made, and the side for uploading, you get. So that's going to be it. And then the card here is just like, once the artist now likes the beat and they want to buy, they click buy, it will just redirect them to the card where they can now, just have the checkout page. And then the home page is just going to have a low, home stuff. It's not really going to be a lot. So that's gonna be it for today, like for this, literally, like this video. I don't want it to be dragged out, but at the same time, I just wanted to address a little, things that some people say it. And I appreciate every comment, my brothers, like literally, man. And if you guys notice, I respond to every single comment, so don't shy away from commenting. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys really like put a smile on my face, you feel me? No homo. So yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for watching one more time. And yeah, just let me know how you guys feel about this kind of content. If you guys like this, or you guys are bored of this, and you guys want to see a different side of everything, just let me know, my brothers. Yeah, so anybody that commented and I really say something wrong, let's get it, my brothers. Anyways, that's it. Let's see how many minutes is going. 11, 12 minutes almost, which is not bad. So see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and do that. Don't ask me why I'm naked though. It's cool. I'm not even naked. Okay, let's get